morning, Ryan Reese resigned from the Connellsville Police Department in December of last year. He was kicked off the Fayette County Drug Task Force back in 2012 after the grand jury presentment says he had sex with an informant during a prostitution case. Now he is facing criminal charges with sexual assault with a minor in a completely different case. This is video of former Connellsville police officer Ryan Reese escorting a suspect into court. Now, Reese is on the other side of the law he was sworn to protect after state police investigators said he told a 16-year-old girl he would grant leniency in the drug case against her if she performed sexual favors on him. Police investigation started in February 2014.
Her mother contacted us to let us know that she believed something inappropriate was going on, and that's how we became involved in the investigation.
A grand jury presentment states Reese, on numerous occasions while acting as a Connellsville police officer, would ask the teen to meet him or he would stop by her house. Sometimes, the grand jury found, Reese would sexually assault her at the Connellsville police station before or after she did controlled drug buys for the department. On one occasion, jurors found Reese told the girl to give him oral sex while he was on duty in a marked car. The girl also testified she had sex with Reese 5 or 6 times total, once inside his personal vehicle, another inside the station garage. Reese was home when we stopped by, but he wouldn't come out and talk. Over the phone, his attorney said they were just notified of the criminal charges today, and the allegations are very serious. She added they will defend the case vigorously. Connellsville's police chief told us he was unaware of the state police investigation against Reese until December 17th, and that is the date when he says he immediately placed Reese on administrative leave, and again, Reese resigned from the department at the end of December. Chief Capitos also said he wants residents here in Connellsville to know that this issue was with one officer, and there is not an investigation into any other officers in the department. Reporting live in Connellsville, Fayette County, Ashley Hardway, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.